Hello fam, are you looking forward to own your own car, or you have been looking for a car on the internet, or you want to order a car and it has been a burden? The time is here for you to own your car without stress. GY Trading Company is here to help you get your dream car right to your doorstep. Relax and take a look at some of their cars, and when you are done, I'll give you their contacts. +81 9056477409. Contact them now and your car will be at your doorstep.
I am going to show you something here. The airbag light stays on, so I'm going to turn it off for you to figure out how to navigate and turn your airbag light off. This is a Nissan Primera, and you can do the same thing for Nissan, Pathfinder, Infinity, Rogue, Navara, Duke, and other cars. So just stay updated, stay tuned, and I'm going to navigate you. The first step you have to do is to turn the key on to click right. That's number one step. Number two, airbag light comes on. When it comes on, wait for 7 seconds or count 7 seconds, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107. Fast. Then for the light to flash up, as soon as the light will flash off, turn the key off, wait for 3 seconds, turn it again. Then number 5, immediately turn the ignition off, wait for 3 seconds, turn it again. Repeat the same procedure 5 more times, making it total 6. Then you start it automatically. The light will go off. If you do it and it doesn't go off, that means there is a problem in the airbag system. But usually for Nissan cars and Infinity, the system will just trigger and it will appear. And if you are somebody who doesn't use seatbelt regularly, automatically I turn the key and I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I turn it off. I wait for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. I turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I turn it off. I wait for 3 seconds. I turn it on. This is the third time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I turn it off. I turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As soon as you see the airbag light blinks, you turn it off. You turn it off. I turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I turn it off. I start. Let's see whether it will go off or not. Let's see.